So while you've got your boat at home in storage, there's a couple of things you can do, and there's a couple of great Mercury products you can use to make your motor nice and shiny, prolong the life of your cowling and the leg. If you've got a black Mercury engine, you can get some Black Phantom black spray paint that will suit the Mercury black, covers up scratches and marks and things like that. The other one, which I absolutely love, is this cowl finishing compound. It's like a polish, but you know, on these shiny surfaces, you've really got to be careful not to scratch them. So this guy here, it's just a very, very fine polish. That's what it does. But the great thing is, it takes out little blemishes and marks and things like this, if you can see them, are just from, say, a sinker hitting the cowling when we're fishing. So we put that on. It's super fine, so it won't scratch the cowling. Don't do it while the engine's hot. It's quite cool today. Give all those little marks a quick rub. And then I've got my other soft cloth here, and let's wipe her clean. And look at that. Instantly, you can see, it just brings that gloss out. It will stop future dust, bait, and even the salt water from sticking to your cowling so much. And when it does stick, it'll wash off a lot easier. Such a good piece of gear.